for Jojo Kojamole. Look back by Manya, eh? Dadavie, the Kawa Womega value. Bofobile the fulfill. Dadavie. Which can life be this? Which can life be this? Oh, hey, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, comme ça va. Where they drop from mountains, it depend them. They do say so jealousy. We dey walk out for street, it depend them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call. I say. They go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, oh, everywhere. Jealousy, oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu. Comme ça faut, mon Dieu. Ah.
Miawe zon, miafe no pola va Ewenyigba TV for Ŋdi Wɔna ojimedo zon na mitohe no pola no nglola miafe do hachi kata bele ameuka nyem bedan miafe wona yo ke penar miancha fi miafe be tenda miabo akpanami tohe. Tony McBoy, yenya weso dona mi va egbeton haji egbenye poji mwa vele apa nkeke bla nkeke via shekia ke anoge tohe mija miapo ona goma pale ke miato minyane ple nyagbere kavaro ke miakoplo miarukyo alo miakozo miapo agbezoni ale ke nemizorengo mi kpona nkawe nyenya jojo yo ke chacham zuhachi ashishongule ndia ke mi zonarango gakpona nyo ke nye dunyao yo ke memiata majo yo ke miakpo nsosron ado ale nene mai wona no na mata so fifia fasere 30 minutes blato amia awo na ne kiare cho mi ke me podon se mi arokyo ke mi agre nyaoma na fokanye amia jo nyaoma ke mi hia ine miaple miao fo wona o atu miaple mchocho miaple nyaboblo miaple bedashio ke mi donarema na wona no na kpedi he no na tohe tabale ke mione nada mia tem ademwa jerama le 0242670773G 0242670773G ya nomba ke ya tracho ako chekapakling lebe nyaureka alebe nyaduaja ne dudoya na nyawo nyereka mata wo nyereka nyamatem anye o nyereka mata semu patagomo aro yokra menye nyanovio yok vajura nyawo maklimi le fia owo de kritenya ngu kata una tagoma na mashama da susumata majibe nyano kachempa kwenye now blebato anye ne ajibe ya adojo primaro ya ureka kwa premi le miapo wonama basube nia ano bobludom nae nyano beparem nae ale be ose pankole dro katama ke gremiaji le wotwe mile poliam na eva bele jimfuka hostel jimkwa o wo fianga mi fi kemila mianko sege ke miapremu le ope business de shade ike ne beawo me ta na bojiji ne bea yomi ha number mala afuma dan yo 0242670773 773 alo +233 242 670 abemia dobulu no o shigba wo piase nyajora meji o pupo gbapa o church do nka ka yen ya o alo nyajojo ejo pata ene bo do anisi o yo mi wona ho alagbegbe we mi ape nyaselo menye tv ke jin shang la kako mi ape mona ma la kako mi ape gbono no ma la kongla atuma te haklimiko mi akpere mu nshami ne mi awe na fa ta number ike na tayo uje jamle o tv aji yo mi agre mi ape motivational segment me ke egbato ihanye dokui turo nyare yika mikpale apology you learn nothing from life if you think you are right all the time. That's a motivational message for today. You learn nothing from life if you think you are right all the time. That is the message we have, and we're going to do that very shortly. We're not going to spend a lot of time on that. You learn a lot in life. You don't learn at all. Sorry, you don't learn in life. You don't learn in life. You are not smart at all if you think that you're right all the time, because we all make mistakes. All right, we all make mistakes, and we learn from our mistakes. And those mistakes mean that we don't know all things, and we are not right always. But if you're self-opinionated, and if you pontificate, you always think you are right all the time, and you think everybody should listen to you, then you've got a problem, and you will not learn in life at all. That's our motivational message for you. So, simply put, you learn nothing from life if you think you are right all the time. You will me Mushromagba, cho aleke miano, asone azome, tototo, ne mila halduma. Amaro chuba yofanya joy shai. Nala de ma da uma hin chuma leo. Doma hin yela gbelo, doma hin yela kwedare ya mo. Nya manya ka kwa magaho ku tayare ma, magaho ku kuore ma jejanti yaji. Oba ni blomole. Intela gbelo ma be manya ka you learn nothing from life if you think you are right all the time. Manana ka stronger chok be amana a huizaro no chibe aro no buniwe ya ifo nya joy share you. But whenever the who are over maro a shaiko, who declare them a shaiko of beleji, a shaiko was a young malaba or number ya you for joy share, but oh now ta joy share. Ufo dada la mashama. Watch your child of a sham pass on him. Ubu a woman cram, had you calling and cost of my crown number. Ah, Yagbama, Tony Zafia Manamo, you was emo. Miamo Chiraco, Umi, and Chiracopma Umia. Uma he can't move out, Nago, blow, Manamo, you go blame. Ya, watch your child of my sham, that can get Namalafia, none time Malafiaro, Anima strong, Alojane Manala Monku, Ubuare, Tamalafiaro. Like Burman, and never buzz on him, I'm shaman and a play. Shaman and a young play. Ta imia front like mi zona play mia novio lo mia to mia hatch you anyu bana jiro bi asenya ke ko mama le ba asenya bo mo la gome akpopo bo gome se ke ujibe na suyeshi a yesuyeshi afina ndogo adelia na ronchi la ka jigara maro loko uno nya sembo ronchi la bena jampu fun ko wo ni boga ko ronchi no e ko buwole ta umu ashira ko na blo nya wu grafia ronchino amanye moroki mabu alo agbago masama la bala gbe mila aroyo nano onya odina davidam nano odina davinu na ka ebo ma nunya ba to nangole iyara go na ko uncle come ekomato nya pele kabavi ekomato ba how are you mazongo ekumvana she dama ko minute ya go anka kame mato na shia e ku dara dola la vai ni manya dama taro jimo ni manya fike ma foroga mai ma daka yo banko kam e mato e kuma ko da zo vaina ta nyalo ba kpio mo nyala ke no golo ake na ma tere mo gba na mo pokpokle yi bare ni kpotama komite wi ha ta de visu su ha tenda na male puheme manye nyanya ike mo chodare du agbo ndia donc tu vas pas TV ona ike ni dan kona ba ndi ona pire ko enye aji ke mi yanko sam la ba TV ji le Facebook mi ga nya ba TV le YouTube ni le Multi TV ji ke amo yanko sen hika katam nya zorango akpo no kawenye nya jojo le yavalo jinja amujo agbe fifia nya jojo aleko no vai chan yike nyarkan bi ko no sasem nyarkan bi na makala no mafio amu jojo pa da rokuna jagba ajabo chofiare nyakpo be nke nyakpo la holiday.com nyaro join cho ikenya cho bai afi nyaro ha jocho ikenya gba nyao arawe nyaro ha jojo ndia ikemlefia Tani Choi Kawazu Chokonyaro nye Fugu and Kente Symbols of Ghanaian Heritage. Holiday.com Emile Fugu and Kente Symbols of Ghanaian Heritage. Abla Kumashi Ikenye du Domaga Ikekpona Nyapa Mojaka Chadina Be de Kong Pwe Enyaonjila Ghana Woblombe Fugu Alobata Karidudu Le Kente Tata Ngokata Enye Jeshi ne Ghana for domani ka chomia tobio bota ne yo mo gbana director aja pressure kurano fu do ma man gblar konyo yo pot de kong lele rashi bla tuturo play pa chachal here batama pa nyawe water region launches water protection system debt fund launches education drive fire guards sugar cover shops and MP demands review. All right, tang mawenye nyajojo yoke nye echo ike vazu no nicho ike vazu chope nyajojo ro nyepe ntoko nyajojo le toke ale bebe ta kokuko nyajibe nyano nyaro sancho nyape ntome ta story ado yoke kakarime pa yavaloji ndia wo wema ke holiday.com de jaganya pa ti ya jififi lai arabe ne majajam haro mikata mi poga abanyazo adu yi maliota don kujiba adam ya pa jirama kokoko alaba na mamiona wona lema. All right, story ole fuma Water Region launches Water Body Protection Initiative. So nakbu TV ya power amoroma jokako dashimagbe abagbadagba but the Water Regional Minister James Gunu has commissioned 31 blue guards in the Adako district to protect the region's water bodies. And according to the minister, the initiative is a proactive measure to prevent environmental destruction, particularly from illegal mining and other harmful activities. The Blue Water Guards will be responsible for guarding against illegal mining, unchecked sand winning, and pollution of rivers. Minister Gunu emphasized the importance of protecting the environment, stating, and I'm quoting, "We cannot afford to wait for the destruction before we act." The program was organized by the Minerals Commission in collaboration with the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, the DC of Adaklu, Honorable Jerry Amako, and other officials attended the event, demonstrating the collective commitment to safeguarding our natural resources. Blue Water Guards alo asaforo ko jona yapa chiong o hohe magbede na dona da CDD suoshi le Adaklu district niajo blaragbe ke o de da shino bawa ko nya pachio ji klosube galam se kuku bele ke kuku okay kem ko to hopla kem ko do mo ko to mo le mo manu se mo mai jile nya ko to mo. All right, so Get Fund launches education drive in Howes. Okay, all right. Get Fund launches education drive in Ho West. Ianya story the car. Get Fund launches education in Ho West. The Volta Regional Minister has cut the sort of 17 major educational projects in the Ho West district. And according to the minister, the projects are part of the government's efforts to expand access to quality education and eliminate infrastructure gaps. The projects include lecture halls, classroom blocks, dormitories, and teachers' bungalows, among others. Minister Gunu stated that the Get Fund is delivering school infrastructure across the country, completing abandoned projects and initiating new ones. Kwame Kwesi Imanobeja, Member of Parliament for Ho West, thank the President John Dramani for the kind gesture. So that is that he assured the double track system in Awusko should end by next year. All right, Emmanuel Kwesi Bajai Kanye MP na Ho West. Yo Momefia Francis preferred to say, Bele Miapa Muga Ntomajipola. James Gunu o the suku otutu banakrope le suku yo homlope wonare tume alawe wo fu o de pedona wonagare le Ho West ikanye kajifwe ntomene aho ka nyamaha enyanyare ke le yam makajwe all right, fire guts Sugar shops cause unknown. A devastating fire break has destroyed 3 shops, including a carpentry workshop opposite GCB in Sogakope. According to eyewitnesses, the fire started this evening, leaving a trail of destruction. Okay, so that is a yesterday story. Nicho, that is Wednesday. Nicho Kawaya Jobile so Gakofe le GCB Ghana Commercial Bank. Ikle Sugakofa Mkume Fiaso Meton ye fien le Sugakofe ta Blada Gbefe Nyanya le Sugakofa Ntoame. Kami ke Jobibi ave American Ponya Haro o Makum. All right, MP demands review of controversial textbook. Agbana, Edem Agbana, Pronotatai, Jajama of Mike, parliamentarian, Lomero Parliament, Nekatu North. Eric Edem Agbana has announced plans to petition the Ghana Education Service to review and record copies of Akiola Junior High School Social Studies textbook. And according to the MP, it describes the content as false and dehumanizing. The controversy surrounds the textbook's content, which has sparked outrage and concern among Ghanaians. The MP's decision to petition the GES is seen as a step towards addressing the issue and ensuring that the educational materials are accurate and respectful. The Akiola textbook has been widely used in Ghanaian schools, and the controversy has raised questions about the vetting process of the educational materials. The GES is expected to respond to the MP's petition and take necessary action. The incident highlights the importance of ensuring that education materials are accurate. All right, so the social studies the content is dehumanized. Now I am not able to independently verify what exactly is Agbani's problem with what. So I don't think that's news enough. Okay, Ghana anti-LGBTQ bills pass controversy. Jirua ga bubocho wororo yikanye ikocho achichachimde badoto manu semchi la dukome ta agbon ranchu kwenchu ko badoto fanya ko sedede ke o naninya boje komlechi yurumea ko ngoliafi umute tashagbale mato ogbo washito tro arabo roro sanchi through the parliament. So we are seeing that over there. Dangote daughters take the reins. Okay, Dangote play via Maton Jama Fia over Dangote Doha. You can Dangote Niham Africa Katago to Gato Kankate Kakiaka Vignon Juleshi, a Chu Dofo or Vovo, Comade, and your Pashima. So we have something like that. The Ghana water crisis depends. Ghana's water sector is facing severe crisis with supply deficits of 21% and staggering debts. There are Ghana Water Company for Enya Elefia que Yurekwa Fodudu Jim le Ghana Water Company. So I think I'm interested in this Dangote story. Just a quick one. Africa's richest man, Aliko Dangote, has appointed the 3 daughters to senior executive roles within Dangote Group, marking a significant leadership transition. Halima Aliko Dangote will lead the Dangote family office and international offices, overseeing its development in Dubai. Fatima Aliko Dangote will oversee oil and gas operations, including the refinery and petrochemicals, while Maria Aliko Dangote will manage commercial operations of cement and foods. Interesting. Aliko Dangote via Madonna over Kokata Fufukoji. Alright, so that's it. Congratulations, Dangote. If you're interested in Dangote, go to wholewithday.com, you look those stories up. Alright, Ghana water's crisis deepens. We have something like that here. Ghana's water sector is facing a severe crisis with a supply deficit of 21% and a staggering debt of 14.6 billion, according to a recent report. The report also highlights alarming water losses of 52%, a situation that demands urgent attention. The water supply deficit has resulted in many communities struggling to access clean drinking water, with some areas experiencing prolonged periods of water scarcity. The report attributes the deficit to inadequate infrastructure, inefficient management, and lack of investment in the sector. All right. Ghana utapenya na fiaro nyari mjoga pa puma pa sagoma. Yideko over am blavo vore ke la fara kam machipom achini pomo no la Ghana. 21% water deficit. If you have a nami here echi drum alfare ka nima pomo drum blandrebo ashike ukpomi mile. Alo me Ghana duko kata here echi tanko malofare ka alo pezo malofare ka pezo blandrebo ashike ukpomi mile. Ama blavo vore ke sha blavo vore ke la alfare ka mo kuchi bagbe no sound. Nkirafi akbaruru bere manchi ha no orechia uyebo mecha namia echia paganto ike ni afa no echi pezo lo fareka yira mole alo kumole heruru na min kakasha kakreka bezo blau atongo fia abubu odo fi ero ngo Popi ganga ko echicho peve peto ko inata ho oruba ova futoshishi de viorano ofo mama nanya kuheu le Ghana ema. Dual citizenship bill sparks hope. That's another story there. Irekwa dual citizenship wenya fifia oga kose yerekwede se takbe hama kwasube na menye Ghana vi Ganye dukobu mevia aten a do awo kenye jiru foto le Ghana na manye Ghana vi buron ku jachi ko isinji owe nye Canadian citizen tayo nye Canadian citizen ko maga ten Ghana vi nyego beto owe ma osei on ti ave ne ame ne dukobo mevi kake uganye Ghana via kuhiara kamelio aten akpo mo alawe awuto about Ghana Vienna. So I think that's another good thing. That's before Parliament. So we are following closely. We are watching closely to see how that goes. Okay. Let's move to something else. That story of Bomile Rakuonye story of onye blada vai na kura for story. Tamizo zoncho kura bona. Abagregbam afi fongi ape nyajojoro yo ke romiagbo mi tapogono kata le miape wona jinjia. Abamba TV fonko asemi nale. TV kana se nyajojo tojo nyajojo to kle nyate fua ikenye nyate fua troro ikajoro bea Ewenyigba TV. Ghana issues new travel guidelines amid terror threats. Ghana issues new travel guidelines amid terror threats. So, Waro yoko kore ni le chogba oji tomato shichala yoko bawu o tojo ncho moga opon shijemi han oko nyagbo mi le ameni yeku le nyamame remata jiru foto nga ke pona Ghana plefe kachacha plefe tatu komo ji ega de se ya roto wo sube Ghana view na wo so mo okugbo we yo se ha oji be ajumagara chu le betadu komo. So that is that Ghana issues new travel guidelines amid terror threats. No jibora kuhurai na yo ke alufu na fia fukama na yo ke jona say the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has issued new travel guidelines for Ghanaians planning to visit high-risk areas following a deadly terrorist attack in Burkina Faso that claimed the life of 8 traders. And according to the ministry, citizens are advised to contact the ministry or Ghanaian embassies for guidelines before embarking on such journeys. The new guidelines are aimed at ensuring the safety and security of Ghanaian citizens traveling abroad. The ministry is working closely with other agencies to provide timely advice and assistance to citizens at high-risk areas. The terrorist attack in Burkina Faso has raised concerns about the security situation in the region. So simply put, Mary Azomon Aid Koroma, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Chi, and we don't have that office here in Ho. Alona Tere Embassy in Chi, we don't have that. Anyway, so okay, U.S. military strikes kill 11 in drug trafficking vessels. America. U.S. military has carried out 3 strikes against electro trafficking vehicles in the Pacific Ocean and Caribbean Sea, killing 11 people. According to a U.S. Southern Command, the strikes were part of Operation Southern Spear, targeting vessels transitioning along non-narco trafficking routes. The strikes carried out late Monday resulted in the deaths of 4 men on the vessels in the Eastern Pacific, 4 on the second vessel in the same region, 3 on the third vessel in the Caribbean. The U.S. military has been conducting these operations since September, resulting in at least 145 deaths. The America do call two down Meliaro, over Southern Spear, your down like to call down Maru, o machivon concho, a chapo matum, cover America to come Vakoshi Chame. They are Tano Binazambe. Melia bona ikeme bevon roleko akutona melia amabire kiogawu jora kozame kwazo blada amokota wule operation yamalu lona yamanya malo fare kabla and voaton. Okay, police crack down on Tamale brother, next 72 suspects. Police crack down on Tamale brother, next 72 suspects. And the Ghana's cocoa sector under scrutiny again. So there are more stories there. I think we can end on these. Ghana's cocoa sector under scrutiny again. People talk about Bonubla the carry from Nicho, Ikawazu Cho, Kirakwa, Glover, Amamo Lever, Yo Didi. Okay, let's just the Ghana Cocoa Board is facing fresh scrutiny over salary cuts with a member of New Patriotic Party communications team, Senyo Blem, filing a right to information request seeking clarification. And according to a G1 News report, Blem wants to know the rationale behind the deductions, which have sparked debate and concerns about transparency. And has also requested to see the board resolution based on which that decision was taken. Avichonava Vladagbe when you are going to the GH1 News, the Kajiare in Kenya NPP top where Agbonugladeka, Yonko and Senyo Amaklem, ever with the Akbo, Banakaji, CEO, Nakoko board not the Rafi, the Bebe, you, Akpauli Adamle, manager Kata from Abbey, or Nukan to Magago Ujo, the Kleja Bera, Omo, for salary mere, Aton, Actual Kanajira, Nikonye. So, this is an issue. And a Banjamin former Gawo, Ghana, Habobo Kekwana Dollar for the Gino Chachitereni and Chiba. We're going to do all that very soon. Rapist jail 15 years for defiling teenager. So that's another story here. The ministry orders probe into worst teacher attack. We do those things quickly and we move forward to something more current. All right. So picture Akpamile Fuma GH1 TV News read the Tatare the Kajama the blog a 46-year-old man, Moro Haruna, has been sentenced to 15 years in prison by a high court for raping a 16-year-old virgin in Domiabra. Okay, so that is that. Rapist jailed. 46-year-old man, Moro Haruna, jailed for 15 years for raping 16-year-old virgin. Tamuro Haruna ika for bland for aden. Yema kwamile obla shire magbani. Alabe ever choko alova to efolu aden via the kenchi abimato. Do bo akpaso san de mata khotuni wona yimo ko yaton. Moro ko bland devo for bland na aden. If you reach the via vai la paso san do bo for blaton. Ta unchoko chi nonvi e poblato nonvi ke abi matokpo yema tai borocho erukiko kemo ko wi atoson dana ma woni dana ke ulagbe ke na ko blandre e blood dan were ke ko adogo. Interesting. All right, so tomorrow Babana the Ministry orders probe into worst teacher attack. So the Ministry of Education has directed the Ghana Education Service to fast-track investigations into a recent attack in West African Secondary School. The incident, which occurred in February 13, reportedly involved a student who allegedly mobilized a group of individuals to assault members of teaching staff. So that's that. And attack has sparked widespread outrage, with the Ghana National Association of Teachers condemning the violence and demanding swift action against the perpetrators. NAT also has directed teachers within the district to wear red armbands as a symbol of protest. The press secretary to the Ministry of Education, Hashim Mohammed, assured the public that those responsible will face consequences. All right. So, was secondary school where attack? EKG or one year teacher the West African Secondary School when you have a futa. All right, we move further. Ghana unveils new embassy in Addis Ababa. It's also the Afi Ewenyigba. That so this is a Tuesday. This is a Tuesday report. Ghana unveils a new embassy in Addis Ababa, $9.8 million facility. Ghana embassy the Addis Ababa. Mahama ba Addis Ababa ke Ethiopia pe to ho tu nyakpon le gbegbe ta anyanyi be the plan Africa kata pe to ho tu kragon. So that is that. NCA pledges prompt payment of service allowances. National Service Secretariat, Boblombe, alo National Service Authority, National Service Authority. Donc, yo babaje grach arresto alo katakale, ameka National Service wanchi. Jiwen menye amuka khafana, ameka National Service wamu. Jiwu da kara ka menne, inya. Nya no vio, nya cheyo ke National Service wama. Omo fotu khamao. Jidudu jondana di mama pa jiru. Mofa tuke nam ke National Service wamu. Jiwen sonya. Gakra National Service Authority. Boblombe yo babaje alawe yo akhe gashaga ikenye nyachi ovagao. All right, so that's the Defense Ministry vacancy. All right, so I think we'll move into something more. GGA president vows to track down culprits. The Ghana Journalists Association boss when on Tata Mafia ebo blombe the kajia de Kenya Russia vi keba do nya viogbo nya yakachon yon shang woge alwe work with Avon. Anyway, actually keba ya Sam George the minister for gender or press conference are alabwe Sam George dogo the Russia ambassador to Ghana. Yureko Russia go bona Russia ambassador bona Sam George mag yumete Russian citizen like extradite because it's not possible. It's not possible because the Russian constitution supersedes any other treaty. Period. We'll discuss all those issues when it's 8 o'clock. Russia day. Kikakatapa niba aniba kenya mtu chokwe khotufo aniba land. Ikakata paniba akbaole in Russia. 11.7% of the habitable terrestrial places of the earth is Russia. But so if you don't understand Russia, you make the bomber do America in a senseless manner, and you know the bomber non-view no mango. But no, we are not saying that. No, we are coming out the bubu. Ghana view, no, Ghana no view her. No, but no, know that no, we are not saying that. But understand the power, the political power of Russia. Russia does not bend easily. Russia is 11.7% of the property and dignity of the victims and the largest cybercrime dimensions, while expressing the willingness of the Russian Federation to cooperate with the Republic of Ghana on the matter in issue. The Russian ambassador, however, indicated that he is unable to confirm the Russian nationality of the individual at the center of the intimate viral videos, and further disclosed that the purported name making the rounds in the media is not a known Russian name and rather represents an inappropriate or vulgar expression in the Russian language. The ambassador highlighting similar activities of the said individual is in other countries which had come to the attention of the Russian authorities and was being investigated by Russian experts. Ambassador Sergei Berniskov has pledged that the embassy in Ghana is willing to share information on the matter. So, Sergei Berniskov. Whenever Arabe yóò jìrẹ alẹ kẹ ó fọ tó kọmẹ fi ààrẹ wò ń gbẹgbẹ bá dùn náà yóò gbọ lọmọ máa jẹ kàjí ń hẹtù chichi mẹ kámẹrà tsọ lẹwọ fẹ àmàmẹ hẹkọdàrẹ yà ọ jì kẹ sẹgbẹ gbọnẹ òkújẹ tó kún tí mo bẹ àmì ayọmọ lẹbẹ nyẹ gbẹgbẹ ọrẹ àti Russia ńkọ àtọ yọmọ lẹni àmẹnyẹ Russia fífọ ńkọ ẹ mọ kẹ gbòòrùn gbẹgbẹnyà gbé ààrẹ kò nyẹ lẹ Russia gbẹmọ. ta no na keke ne yo gere nyama tu nyama akpota nya me ayo mo le benye nko ayo mo le Russia vian tontoto me nya man ko ni le Russia gbema oh so that was that ke e chore ke va ya some George be nyama ke fi ayo kpota nya the kajia fonko blover passport era do guazon ta efonko blover passport ele yame ta passport ma era ro nyagbo America Ponicho Ikenya Honorable Minister for Communication Honorable Sam George you carry your passport in chi alebe you edamle yame be amashano pota impola the kaji for passport ma the kaji for passport ma ni dadare TV aji be ne miapo America tutu nye Europe jazo nko ekeleji o keleshi oro pejazo ta gbanike ni khelegba yenye kukwari ke yiji le okuje to black paple sege yikenye Russia top ambassador na Ghana pe enyam dare bi mataro pejiwe amama yoten ashegencho Ewenyigba have the Russian constitution supersedes any other treaty and you must share the Russia Viaregenchi do Koreko. All right, so we have the passport on the screen, and for now, that is the guy. Vladislav, Lyulkov, passport aji OG 1989 so for now that's what I can say about this young man Marashi the young man no year we got trogava okay uchucha wato do ngbo pataki re egian fiaga egian fiaga pa ko buwa janyele otiriji ta bekaja mi pefia enya Russia utuvia kava do nyon gbo alo zan alo blow alabe rubo modo gbo kakala nyanya te foma fia video ro ha fiabe ado rubo ro ko wadu na yi ya mi apole ke nyon via do to tronto redu to tronto vivissimo vivino be yo le Russia ntufu ya bahome ta ni da sha pamang all right kintaki over kintaki makpomile na dereva tumi pata be egian pe fiaga fogu ekpo accident formula abega echoiva ipo formula le otinto me echo jogbaji hegbona afi afokuya batu yaka le mawa moroma ni kintaki ele the for now so minda pere maure if I better so I think this is some of the stories tricking in Garmanche escapes and hurt Garmanche escapes and hurt in an accident in Otiriji. Just a quick one. The Garmanche Kentucky Teko Churu the second is in stable condition after surviving a road accident at Katanga in the T region while returning to Accra from Tamale in the early hours of Wednesday, February 18 at around 2 a.m. So that is what we had. The Ghana Police Service responded promptly to the scene after being alerted, and the mood at the palace is one of relief and gratitude as the Garmanche continues to recover. The cause of the accident remains unclear. Kentucky Teko Chu the second, who wasn't okay, so we can leave all that. Let's go to history really quickly. A 16-year-old girl disappears on Valentine's Day and body is found dead. Teenager's body found in Tinkon, Eastern region. The to be viare, so viare, the Eastern region. Just a quick one before I go on a break. And when we come back, we'll still do some more. But more politicians to go garage and for Gani, the Nyama Jujum. Ta Majijua, me, we don't should be a hogako, Yazorango. So we can open Munama Jama, Zigara Joraka, oh, Fafianka, now Mapo Mono Fuka, it's a sensitive information. There's a little girl from Tinko in the Eastern region now. Now, I said, Bugota, number you may know, Naroka, Nabu, Sablubam, Mika, all right, that's a little girl there. And what's the problem? She left the house on Valentine's Day and never returned. The body is found dead. Sad one, very, very sad one. But now here, where Manotata, Mikpopon TV, Kirekwa, and but to be very jolly up on me, you see, and just a bad one. So 16-year-old girl, Deborah Dede Ama, was found in Tinkong, Eastern region, or Tinkong in Eastern region, after a being reported missing on Valentine's Day, and the news has sent shockwaves across the community. So that's that. And the incident also has sparked widespread outrage and concern, with authorities urging anyone with information to come forward. All right. So the police are yet to release details about the circumstances surrounding a death, but investigations are ongoing. Rest in peace. Pretty 16-year-old Deborah Dede Ama, a Dugofo of Valentine's Day. You are my boy. Don't magbonya na ploma ko dum chuchu kere ma trova na pe nye ame tohiawo arawe nyajo nyado me kakashi o TV anchio Ewenyigba TV Ŋdi Wɔna inia.
Qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is embalejado. Aja bagba asikaligbe do afikolea le mia tempolo mi jagole chio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti mire giodo ne mi attende cucunolo fichiole o ma ue fichiole ma mbe fichiole ma fichiole o e ue fichiole ma ue fichiole ma Adowa me vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo Adowa me vana agredato pata trozu bokonolo Oh mau Fichiole nu baramana yo le cho yo jo bon pomi Pola bonu kakani gakemi Fikele ma we fikele ma mbe fikele ma fikele ma fikele ma ewe fikele ma Hier qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is embalejado. Aja bagba asikaligbe do afikolea le mia tempolo mi jagole chio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti Mire Giodo, ne mi attende cucunolo. Ficole ma we, ficole ma, mbe, ficole ma. Ficole ewe, ficole ma we, ficole ma. Adowa-me vana, fianfito pata, trozo pastolo. Adowa-me vana, agredato pata, trozo boconolo. Oh mau. Fikole nu baramana yo le cho yo jo bon pomi Pola bonu kakani gakeme Fikole ma we fikole ma mbe fikole ma Fikole ma, fikole ma, ewe fikole ma.
Fua me gonla nek po ma bada ba tue me nya Fua me na Nekpoma bada batoe Fua me won Nekpoma bada batoe menyela Fua me na Nekpoma bada batoe Punya mentoli khafi Melak befuk bermula Nama kpola moji Nama madi cava obo Omalona namo de Otakwenya ba Mava khogade le yegosi Otakwenya ba Mava khonundudu le obola Fuwa mewo Nekpoma bada batoe Mava osusuba Maji semi jade no kukumula Na mauleko Nyaka madunu matu khofela Memano amasi Dopenya wesau Fuwa mewo Nekpoma bada batoe Fuwa mewo la Nekpoma bada batoe menye Fuwa mena Nekpoma bada batoe Punya mentoli khafi Melak befuk bermula
Brenda TV gale TikTok ji ha ta mamio le TikTok ji mi gare Brenda TV ji alawa mia ajimi Ewenyigba TV yenya nko le TikTok alawa nya ureka premi nya promilo alawa mia anu mia po wono won mia nongo yo tani magbonya mia plon le wono pa ha ke nyanjo jore ka varo galio ke nyanjo tutu yo comme jogani ala pirako ke nemi wovoa nyama popo adam nya wo mapin gbanto nye evififi fo wonare ke yiji la Kolebu Teaching Hospital eviare yeko wofi numa nye nane ike amonfuncho nchi ala klaka wota nama we nami janya majujo maduma nyatom pirako so nigalahohide.com open trending stories. Unions reject cocoa board salary cuts amid reforms. Unions reject cocoa board salary cuts amid reforms. Then we have fake nest caught with stolen baby. We also have that. The Mama clears special prosecutor, issue officials. Then cocoa board probe gets green light. Then extradition bid for Russian national hits roadblock. So those are three big stories there. A very quick one. Let me matato mo cha yi ta ke namia azorango. All right. So my baby a VG fifi for nyanya na ikomo je mia Japan to fakeness caught with stolen baby. 33-old Latifa Salifu has been arrested in connection with the theft of a 4-day-old baby from the postnatal ward of Mamprobi Polyclinic in Accra. And according to Superintendent Juliana Obeng, head of public affairs of the Accra region, the suspect had disguised as a nurse and took the baby under the pretext of administering medication. Interesting. The baby's mother, Precious Ankuma, had delivered her son on February 14, 2026, was recovering at the hospital when the incident occurred. The suspect, a close seller in Accra, claimed she had delivered at Kolebu Teaching Hospital and was discharged but police investigation found no records to support that. So that's an interesting one. DGRMA Ofi le Echo. No, Ojidevia, the Valentine de Weekend, that Koshida Jorabara Kuragba, ye O Filia, we feel like a populato, what on Eblona Mobe, Interview, Kede, Kakayo, Vive, de Viafipa, O Rupiave, Don Jipola, lo Nessene, O Rupiave, Don Jipola, alo Ness, Alove, Vachulivia, Kaka. Epe azoni zomo la mama epe mona mama ede jeshibe amea fiafi ko security alo watchman yo kele fuma o togbe o yobo ejivire kole bu kaka o ra shinchi o awo nejivire nke fiabe nokoji pana kela shio bana viro no na mashi konji bana ro na mashi ko bana review chafi kono yimi ta yema finole ma ke nyama zunyare ke kakara ya bala katama ta ko vito ko uncho obo yole ameka yo bina zabe yenye fifila la ke yo yo ma kumple aro play the wong via nyakmo gwe. All right, so that's one of them. Unions reject cocoa board salary cuts. Unions reject cocoa board salary cut. I'm looking at Dongoina. Randia the head of Kenya Ghana cocoa board. No new summer in Kakayome, Shako, Randiabe. Rukumisa Gidiwe, Ufu Dubai, Unanacho, Ufa Sawonchi, Ufujuba, the Akpaoliale. Manager over the machine manager kata for to make domaga kreta dena dopa ha omo for to akpaton be akpaka tro ne jura la be yo wombe yo po fo na didi e ga yo zamle ga kaza na didi alobo videnava. No, unions reject cocoa salary cuts amid reforms. Unions ikanye Industrial and Commercial Workers Union, ICU Ghana, and the General Agricultural Workers Union, GAU, have strongly proposed 10 to 20% salary cuts for cocoa board management, labeling the move as unlawful and demoralizing. This comes despite the union's support for the government's cocoa sector reforms aimed at stabilizing the industry. Now, I'm not going to do le kushi dopo plan me ko wona dola agik dopo kata po Ghana habobo Ghana kata globo do fue dolo kenye le dolo plan me ko na kushi gadolo do kushi dopo gan kata po amanolo po habobo pa gunu glode o be ma gbomo le be okobo jiru po do pe na koko be dede ple pasi chachaji ma gakpom ho le feme o fo ganyo mo remota yo sebe do maga ikenye CEO enlo gbana hebe yo ne didi fatune do mavio to amagan kata adakpa oria chotro kone jiru akleto kata mejese kom. So the unions welcome measures such as allocating 50% of Ghana's cocoa output to local processors, offloading cocoa boards, legacy debt, and adjusting producer prices in line with global market trends. These reforms are expected to boost local processing, create jobs, and improve financial stability. However, ICU Ghana and GAU argue that the salary cuts were implemented without proper consultation, breaching labor laws and collective bargaining agreements. The decision to reduce salaries is totally unacceptable, said Morgan Ayawini of ICU Ghana and Andrews Adokwe Tego of GAU in a joint statement. The unions demand an immediate reversal of the salary cuts and renewed engagement with management. They emphasize that a motivated workforce is crucial for Cocoa Board's operations and the long-term sustainability of the sector. Cocoa Board has faced financial pressure in recent years with rising debts and declining productivity. The government's reform aimed to restore confidence in Ghana's cocoa sector. The union's stance has been echoed by some cocoa farmers who argue that the focus should be on restoring the guaranteed cocoa farm gate price rather than cutting management salaries. Bilagwa, nyota khalama le kwenye Ghana to kokata pe blede lao blede dollar pe habobo ble dokushi chapo pe dokushi chicha lao pe dollar pe habobo kata fufu boblombe ni yo sebe kokombo domaga randia be dashagba rete be odidi fortune domaga ple iho manager ba jeso alabe afio mi aroje be wagre takpokpome agare kojomo ple tripartite committee e fe jidudua dowofa be dowovio wa makpokpo jidudu wa dowo nya dowo ya menye dokushi manager dokushi dowo ni ke tomaga tada sha gbanete awo Ghana kata glogodo for Minister for Labor ejebo ononi domaga yokele kokobo ofe amakpepo na noni afi dowola yokele fetuji alo dome ya dowola ofe habobo kezo amaton tripartite committee na noni agre mame nyashanya oglo odo peji afi ovain fetune mle fetumene dola ala be fetu ya mede dena marko fetu ya o do na nse alo o do na fu dola bo wona to atradi he won tepe gake bi ale ke ngole fia ko di fetu le ya be ya o na gebe ejina de lofo ke bon do pa bon tu e mo la ko imole bebe yona randiabe beji una nyabere kuke kele koko bora mena dola ko fotunya ko hio aka ashi yike domo le koko baun shi la gbara o ma yen ko he no odidi koko pa shi jia anyo reverse sene agbede la okata le mata mak yo gbarem ne randiabe be me wo shi totro ejebe randia be na shitotro randia be toy na ba khofe ke jane udo ju pe won chimu ta nyama ya ka ma join bana well masama goma randi ni randia be konfia ko ni o ja ba ko sube e gayo sam yole e gaona di ya apoto alwe profita bi ja lo ni na ba ni sana ma kakebe uboblombe amoko fotu ni hewo okay amoko fotu ni hewo ni ko do na futbam na kwa la fila siaba ta ntenya gadidi majibo pesa nya ngome tam moko na kam chomo be wagereje alba nya junyome bitopa gbonu glara kan ha gegereje nya kire alba nya se nya yome chito ada berkawan selesai. Kombinasi nyasi, apa ada di randi, abi dia. Betul. Amaga agbonugara ka ike nye pipito fa amagara ka akum nkonya sanyo abu wamba yekra ye afore kwamba ofian board resolution ikanya amaga kala magbana do fa fa bedere kaji randia be not rafi da forma. All right, you gonna go be napo gani nti la ton tu ma hodon chucho yare album ya tore nya mo chuchonchi nitore.com. Ghanaian survivors airlifted to 37 Mahama visits. Ghanaian survivors airlifted to 37 Mahama visits. we have a story like that. The Mahama special prosecutor and EC bosses in Alafuma. Cocobot probe gets green light. Alafuma extradition bid for Russian national hits Stanley Brock, Fugu, and Kente. Our heritage. I think these are 5 stories quickly. Let's look at the first one. Ghanaian survivors 7 Mama is actually miss Dukopora Bolov your Medivac, the surviving people of that terrorist attack to Ghana for proper medical attention, and that is showing there on holiday.com. Ghana view yoko lagbe yoke o no afoku mame le echoke ba ima o po no tata ma jeje mafuma o cho ya ma o cho play amabu echo be Ghana le medical process ma over Medivac o cho ma o cho 37 military hospital that is a big story over there. Dukopola John Dramani Maha, 37 military hospital lecture. I'll be back to no one do Yoka Ola Konji. The arrangement ma lo nobo Medivaka any arrangement ele military or dome you go on to foreign affairs. That is a question of foreign affairs and military, the military or Ministry of Defense. So we have Ghanaian nationals back, and we expect that they have good medical care. So we have that. And it's still about the special prosecutor and electoral commissioner. OSP, Kisiaja Kenya Juba Domagaka Kona Zam 50 kilo for instance, kind of for that I go Hosangwaro, Kashid Balaro, then Nabagana Gonabo, Domagama, Kisi Ajabeng, Fenya, Jane, Kenya Electoral Commission, Toko Domagam, Balaro, to the Hakoi to Corabo, Nanya Logotomo, Cabale Dusad Blena. I just watch up Bamako, the Chief Justice, but Chief Justice not done Kuma poverty. Let Duani Alopejimali, Mudani Adeli, Karupajico Tuber, Babulo Bamulame or Watemawe or War. No need to Pejiver Umbaroa, Kayafi, Wa Abano, Teraga, Arabama. Kuna aje goma aluwa nyaura le domaka gon echuale kenya yi kepire kwa dukopola gbogbombe ye no tere Chief Justice kenya ota bondola kan le Ghana pafo boni we nchochoji he nanandwa nasibe yimo kpongbe glare ke le OSP kisi ajaben yi kenya domaga ke le special prosecutor for the Opanchi, you can another down Kwakufuado, call that dome. You can not offer my choice, you can was via Moymo Pocha Calamo. American Yafe Electoral Commissioner, ha, you come clear, you must prima facie evidence article, you must bring lady article, do Pajiver Electoral Commissioner. Anyangbola bafo boni pon kuku yeji enotero tai natona esiba ono bana tome ya ote be yenada shon chikaka yemeta ashire un labele samwa bafo boni ka attack bobe there's a prima facie evidence alo emuledi alo perojin alo emejojo kotiare bogbombe apa numebe na zaye numura anu tefe taye dukopola irashionchi no yobo doji. You know, Ghana, they should fire the electoral commission, fire the electoral commission. And then it's one of the main things we heard in December. Oh, I got that figure, what do you figure, but it's interesting. Politics is an interesting game of interest, game of fantasy. Hey, me fear. Kisia Jabin, hello, double cool. Electoral commissioner, hello, double cool. Alabana kama glom alabe o na duanya be mahamabuji yo gero po mo ma obe mo pona ke kote ke be adififina na ke malete po. But this is one of the main arguments we had in the last elections. Anyway, I'll leave that one for the politicians in just a minute. Ni nyama joge Cocoa Board Pro gets green light. Kasiel atofose na so takbe hanya be yoga gendre amma jujuma amma kukuma epenyu wala yile kokobora agbabudu bloforu dubai ji ale gbele jiru poto o feke kona koko bledede koko popo pola kule pa chichacha nyama le Ghana reya ta yo bereme Dr. Ayeni ikenya Attorney General lo jiru fe sanyalaka be oje makuku chofe ni kata bayi mabaro egba nka ni fiti o ike ijira Cocoa Board ikana ba gbaru pe for ruva. Interesting conversation we'll be having very soon. Now let's say we should institute a probe including criminal investigation. And you know say why there should be annual reports, audited annual reports for 8 years. And like that, never an investigation going to So last one, some judge himself has taken back his words. Russia does not have any extradition treaty with any nation, and that constitution supersedes any law. And they are not extraditing the Russian bad boy. Tony Magbonya na pon chocho no vale +233242670J. Ba ho don chocho piare na matrova mi ayi da nya o majujoji. Tony Magbonya mi apron mi gaite pare ko. Magbona.
Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, Kokon Safo, mon Dieu, ah, mon Dieu, Kokon Safo, mon Dieu. It's that way they see, so you know, be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, because of jealousy, brother no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Agba wo to menya wo ne wo fa fo jojo ko jomole. Nuka ba menya wenya ya, Dada vie, the kawa wo mega value. Bofo bile de fufu Dada vile dada view. Which can life be this? Which can life be this? Oh, hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, mon Dieu, comme ça va. Where you drop from out, it depend them. They do say so jealousy. When they walk out for street, it depend them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call. I say. They go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Comme ça faut, mon Dieu, ah, mon Dieu, comme ça faut, mon Dieu. This right way they see so, you know be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, because of jealousy, brother, no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him, brother. Sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which can life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Agba wo to menya wo ne wo fa fo jojo ko jomole. Nuka ba menya wenya ya, Dada vie, the kawa wo mega value. Bofo bile de fufu Dada vile dada view. Which can life be this? Which can life be this so? Hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu. See, this food where you drop from out. It depend them, they do say so jealousy. When they walk out for street, it depend them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey. They go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, comme ça faut, mon Dieu, ah, mon Dieu, comme ça faut, mon Dieu. This right way they see so. You know, be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh. Brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, jealousy, oh. Because of jealousy, brother, no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so. My brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister, oh, sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Agba woto menya wone ufa for jojo kujomule. Nuka bakba menya wenye ya. Hey, dadavie the kawa womega value. Bofo bile de fufu dadavile dadavie. Which kind life be this? Which kind life be this so? Hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh. So jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu. See, this food where they drop from out, it depend them, they do say so jealousy. We dey walk out for street, it depend them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, comme ça faut, mon Dieu, ah, mon Dieu. Comme ça faut, mon Dieu. This right way they see so. You know, be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh. Brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, jealousy, oh. Because of jealousy, brother, no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so. My brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister, oh, sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Agba woto menya wone ufa for jojo kujomule. Nuka bakba menya wenye ya. Hey, dadavie the kawa womega value. Bofo bile de fufu dadavile dadavie. Which kind life be this? Which kind life be this so? Hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh. So jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu. See, this food where they drop from out, it depend them, they do say so jealousy. We dey walk out for street, it depend them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, mon Dieu, quand ça faut, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Ah, mon Dieu, mon Dieu, quand ça faut, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. This the way they see, so you know, be like.
Yo akbena miafa npo katambe ni le de kawo mapini ni zozoma dwatu le ni bati bi fun Ŋdi Wɔna ji ka toni magboya mi aklo nya pepe to ke gbanto gareji honorable alikem chomibio bo elegbonye ke enyawo fifi anya de joro wasu botanta enya yo le nyagbo owu adi wa maku ake miyo changa de karaka de yo television nya juro maharashi mamionchi Ghanaian survivors are lifted to 37 mama visits ni chafi naka cho mama gowe as nyagbarwe they will give back Ghanaian survivors in Burkina Faso ta so jawon for nyagbaro nye na mare yi algo wa hobby le beta duko rema arrangement ibe na ma nya hobby magata wa woko e bora shinchi wa trova ude duko me ta ide kwa ipe nya gbomile be give back return sick people ameko wazo abomo mo abiho menye kata wa go maten we vioga marko e bo troyo de wa po. So it's basically that the Ghana forces has successfully evacuated 3 Ghanaian survivors of a terrorist attack in northern Burkina Faso, bringing them back to Ghana for medical treatment. So according to Captain Veronica Ajo Ahin, acting PRO of the Ghana Armed Forces, the survivors were airlifted to Ghana on Tuesday, February 17, 2026, and are receiving treatment at the 37 military hospital. So it's basically that name yang peti loji kwa ma apo no matata ojejem you apo chokeva ya du koplola eba you the 37 military hospital eba stra nonwo ke chagbe so badagba bidjo for amagbe ku for ikode le nepo tomato si chalo nchi le Burkina Faso ojogba oji for enyanya ta Mama who are a 37 military hospital out of the Coppola Yobocho by Bora Imagine TV. Captain Ahin stated that the Ghana Armed Forces remains committed to protecting Ghanaians and ensuring their safety both at home and abroad. The military's prompt action is in evacuating the survivors is a testament to his dedication to its mandate. Also, President John Dramani Mahama on Wednesday, February 18, visited 2 victims of the Burkina Faso terrorist attack, currently on admission at the 37 military hospital. President Mahama, who was accompanied by Chief of Staff Julius Deborah, commiserated with them and assured them their bills will be absorbed by the government. Oh, all right. That's nice. Julius Deborah, Chief of Staff, Amikakwana, Dudolo, Katapwe, the General Bolakana, the Coppola 37 military hospital lecture. The Coppola Dogo, no one over, all Malawi Abaja Fuma, a Chief of Staff Julius Deborah, over Dumban over a Diocos Agola, the Congia, Jurua, where her road tefer in Yang Bank Tolen Nyabo. I'm open to Intiru ever to Ekako wachample Traore, Ibrahim Traore, kenya badagba, ikenya kuola, ho, dukbon sakla pasasa, in Harlem, and abe amaro versen, American badagba, Jagran over some of the country, Pregana Tonchi, a pung nenema. Reverend Team for the hapung were I like a substantive defense minister, Meliva, behind a security threat. Taj over Jeshua, no any Jeshiba or a phone maker, Albaniano Poklodu. The I'm a block poor Kenya, Badabama who are Badaba Bijo, Bafora road, no tetem, the Yako Bodownchi. Oh, welcome, wisdom.
Yo, akpe, medugbene, nukbola kata. Yawele doji.
Lovely.
Enya chole, Burkina, Ebefuvie, Niape ni ya, me chole, mise pole ya. Be that way I'll say over the years, say, asichalao, zonamu maji, pe gidea, ya kunu ya ba, chofifi ya edefu. No chenyele ekbobe Burkina Faso ya minyabe terrorist groups do ole that side area mame le amo terrorize zigede le fudena mo zigede gake abe omeno expect be ajo because mejo po le mo maji sigbe gbogbo mejo possible and even there are instances ameno gbogbo be at times when you do gramero crowd or Ghana to ya yoma denumena or plito like. So anybody play politics left me work at the full. Now Burkina me play o teremiao. Da whether be any o do be do popular kuma o choya peva. If you be at me agbenu le body because they are neighbors. They no play open neighbor am le fume allow that kind of hostile kelemi aduma. Adefu. That no kwa politics called the moment is just unfortunate bad job. Kake mako politics they may have na make blame be ameke wala. Even in any case, no defense minister no the intelligence kaya ole picking be. E ma ton pick fifi here another one about terrorists and terrorists ole mojo. No. Some of these things I can no kwa yes everything remember the politics play or play the fool. Amo news over me veve o tojo amo o fear beyond recognition. Many fifia Kenya kabako politics aka ko gede eyame ano wawa. Aha gakeno ko wonu kube former defense minister ya bu krabale politics ko dem be because be Abraham Traore very relationship who have play Ghana. Ya na tabole ejisi be. Ghana play Burkina Faso that kind of relationship mele hoa. O me supply tomatoes nami on countless occasions wa. As you be Burkina no bro be we tomatoes o maka for Ghana odi. How like me call a manager me call surviving there. They are trade partners and trade partners are going to have that kind of relationship with them. So it's one. And in terms of security, open directly to never host a terrorist or never host a group that will ever destabilize Ghana. How do you know? At least borders or neighbors are all protecting each other. Okay, it's just unfortunate, Bejo. Tano kumia tu baba ne kumeto pete kakemi hiya bebe ako politics ako demo and me that pene his excellency chebe the swift action no take over lift survivors or cover and then yache ebe ya food to pete I think it's in a good taste be pressure most of them suffer severe pain to a pluto me sure yes a guy amene Gaya ba afan malo akwa mekuku alo ame ma hepe me plepa na me bij eden kuti na bijo pete me gaya wonu ke gake in one way or the other gache are helping stabilize the condition we play athletes way and then at least if there's any assistance further the government can provide now at least I provide now because in what you like most of them talk at the trading network tanu meka yibako tomatoes everybody nuka wadu tamele sure be probably government have some say along there's any role I play and make sure be aside they will recover la whatever support you here you are now you know Burkina Faso situation nukuba ever defuvie because over the years a country as a Ghana as a country imelen cho alone strong cho nu gede omo these tomatoes mile tomatoes ya import menye gbo Anyigba o le mi ase kakeme ko mi apeli des o me conscious effort de kebede Anyigba ma we de me put them to use o no ko wonu ko na be research them wonu ke this week me say be aside Germany la Ghana is the highest importer of tomato paste. I was surprised. So Ghana highest importer of tomato paste aside Germany. So if we are exporting a lot of money, a lot of dollars, exporting tomato paste into this country. Meanwhile, we have Anyigba fine where a chiole. Me ato I make sure me let you ma wa irrigate me ape look where in dry season split over the me ape dam full open down a chair waste. If you like dam mara e chi yan go anu be chair e ka le fofole me ka do level de e je bi to gbera pepido e je bi to gbera ne ka do level de. So as a country over the years we go no promises owner lip services were to some of these issues were. And then email a video de kekporemo now Burkina issue ejua nyabe fife ka si chala fele mo ma jizo ya che ovodo we ta fife la o me kale mo ma to gbe hadeka o ke me fe tomatoes dey le shorting gba the moment say shortage vacuum fe price of tomatoes tell us ele jingbe. So what happens? I think that is why it is time the Nigerian government to take desperate actions where they develop way quickly. You have to have so many acres of land. Aje nano cultivate. Aje tomatoes store on care. At least they will be the next 6 months. At least Ghana Lamia sufficient in one way in tomatoes production. They are reduced me up importer. These are things we need to do. These are desperate situations where and definitely who jolekwa and abemi are raising up quickly. I solve address some of these issues where we have Ghana to amo chole Ghana lefi was I Canada I de drone Brito never dagbele never pick tomatoes Brito ole amo pe yevo bagbele menuke Ghana you ready why then we have Anyigba le tomato so much import cover do come ya Anyigba kwa imaton a wonande le mi adukwesi o as duko unyabe tomatoes as a very near importing so much. I think there's a lot who Ghana as a duko I jebe niwa no dudu ya hemia kaba no dudu who me gbogbo ya import siga no mejo alo me hiam da mele sure be he nya ya jokwa nya pe government waka deliberate more on making me solve issue ya. And if as a country ne hemile tomatoes kwa one can consume so much sigede as you be to be produced the sure be ga hikuku hele nanami at times tomatoes e kwacha ton wa nesumile une. So there are a lot of things me aton our as a country then me no self sufficient in a way like Cote d'Ivoire call Burkina Faso call wa gabi be me aba I'm depending so much on open tomatoes. E Ghana ya de me apan gba na menu be me aton produce same wa. No me aton we. So the youth who here capital, all the way the you go into farming. Kake resources o menu. He wa call start, alo call dabel. That if government able to provide assistance ma, they okay, we so be the tomatoes play. You have these 3 acres of land. Alo government ko to facilitate be wa kwa Anyigba akoda breya le show be le tibo me bia avademi apeteji akpe nyabele doji.
All right, akpe miape mpola honorable elikam for national ajero nova miajero the +2332426707773G yo we have the 24-hour economy we dog and din do fiekuleto ta no power tomato beyond tomatoes beyond tomatoes aklete faturo bagbasa gbagba je pe ni o ke ne pon ku ko chomi la gbleji a na troshilonchi alebo zungu na mionto miato but mpoba ma ani ejo nya wona ni ikaba bogbog mana gra nya wona bogbog nyaro ne zanmele abana ko Chinese so shama na no be bashi shama na no bashi they dey abba the Nigeria ale alowane ni acho ba divine funia ye le tamana mare ale ke ni ayediwo yadi alam kunchi alubawe ale ke awa fopa yawo batin ya ne batin na gaka achike ya tanga sin ala chiku cheche ke livia ke no de durema otawo odo chon ba batin ni amale nyamo be shambi ya politician ro be shambi as guru boy another politician never the more attractive more than anything else.
Because we are not about sometimes by many people. It depends. We have education system change. Like he of course structure. We have to social government. Peke. Then we have to kwenye okay. We are no more adbaleme. Anu call those practical. We are the we are not for now. Me cover most of the schools. All STEM education, play robotics, play no more. Get you going to this fifth. They are please are helping in that regard. It's just that over the years, and we have professors who are doctors in most of the fields where gake umakpope inventions aluna neko. Here and go significantly as solve me a problem the one way or the other out. It's just that the book knowledge. Let me let you actualize the same okay. Me ano bobolo edo I mention nano kache aluwa yo chemical nuke do alo nuke do meli amo popo. So for me, me sure that we need any complete overhaul. Na bele ke holeji na abe we are not only focused there. Asim do bemi ano agbaneme but enuke to me akon komi apasinu akowa innovations we ni abe susuko agbobe no enuke de mi wele de manuala bele ke Chinese or clean vole wa. At least me a chance better me have that kind of near. Aside that, you see, investment is very important. A gotcha is very important because there are some test inventions. Try to get it right. So, nehe gamen you dey call it wagbe. If you can make machine they over display. Now, source of funding, but I will continue la meli. Even work for the cultural development to amedoji amuwa then you sabotage ne ho project on abe to ne you lead you la that kind of nuclear ever super me persistent me and it's worrying na be like ebe agbe popore ne get am me the tomatoes chenya kan importing so here no matter dagblewa yes so here already what dagle except this morning me no nya dagbele me ape moya sokode to perfect. And more at those days, it was considered under President Kufuor over first term in office around 2008, 2010 thereabout. Yeah, I so-called it to Beve Mama. And net two more margin on Tuesdays were. I'm not then after 3 bele. If we don't have 3 bele more margin, fine. I call it Beve and every Tuesday, Friday, la energy. Kaka over the years now, a more bulkwa. And you mind the chemical G-Sigo. Tomato margin at 11 a.m. I'm not perfect to the motor because the mobile never motivation I can mind there, then I can not blame out there. Then I don't know what I get and no call that cement you. And then the take about what some questions do. I'm making my play boy. I don't know about corner at dash quadro, apple like Papa. No, these are things we need to do. I am motivated and move the one I believe. Kakani Mameliwa. A motivation am on you. Our policy, I'm okay. Because of the motivation, meanwhile, not to go at Blair, even the last skill. I can out the car, let me have school for economy, but yes. So the resources are there. Here we have funding, let's say the whole municipal, we have funding there. Oh, number be at that. Funding out of the common fund and me reserve that I know then I call one the whole municipality that never made already the acre of land they be our plan be our quickly we will provide funds when our culture document a big extension officers or chokalia most of them make a lot possible. Those days, some of them we pon away gake 50 I don't know because about belecha mo make a let decibel. And so any mamele you. That another motivation emelu. Another bema here bene do la mo me be wa do ro me that bread dem. Le noa melu. At the end of the day, even like bread they actually make attractive. Yeah, attract and the actually are going to farming now. You make attractive. I don't know, me like blended the water. Okay, I'm making a school dropout. I look where Mawa. Yeah, okay, those days in school, yeah, I blended. I don't know about that. That kind of mindset. So that makes me know I blended there. You are country, European countries will get there. Agric. Yeah, no way. And we are sustain to cope. Yeah, not about me that chole Ghana lefi. I there Italy. And Italy copper. There's one guy every day Italy copper me. Every me invite Italy American be city the copper me fi me dollar fi me about that belele. One of tomatoes so pick number one or atadio pick number fi me dollar American. So you see, so this is it. So if I be in our own country, let me make some of these things available. That environment instead of bamia if ma no tomatoes platadio picker. Adbe you tell me at that to come because any other resources only and look at all here all available. You have irrigation systems where they call it. It's a man of whether there are times when I go to southern Volta, then you play Amoga, play Mama. Amo papa me kwa. Early morning ko. For 3 block, kobo le chide for 3 block. There are times when I in a line upon a mare bebe. Sabala, ginger, amo papa me. You go there at times. Oh, no, so all the way irrigation, Tazuna there, Anibandula, Memauxi, who are the Bugua. We can see the kind of wonders here. Kakebe Achiapo, Hochide Sunuta, the little space, what a care, Bachi Quachela, Ula Babaje, and the Nia, and here the government as supporting, as steady, Belekole. Because if Amaya a care Achiapo care Lefima but we are able to go what do for 3 hours why you get never you tell it said and you never buy in the corner and Yapona Malina Benji can knowledge and Yapona Maligo all the one farming. That's why we have to expand. Now we have 5 acres, 6 acres that they can do more. So that time we have a leadership. We hear a lot of thinking as to the years to come. Ghana, food sufficient in some of places. When we hear tomatoes importing, one of the highest importer of tomato paste. No, and it's worrying. And most of this tomato paste, which are chemicals, produce you get the lemon. Consume the fear is Taleke doleleke wano. Doctor Aaron Bobo Nevo and Dolelo Dolelia. No honestly ben abelek ovale so prevalent in Africa no. But it's because of some of these things. So let them change me up a mindset. I said we change me up a mindset. I give the leadership telling you ready to assist, you know ready to provide finances and no or maybe at that no ready. Then you are support with a guy because I believe a guy here. Fertilizer, MMO, a Gahia, a Galia, and the show of Megadia. Yes, not that way. The kind of a Gaho required, what that will have, not that for the one. Okay.
Yo. All right, yeah, as on me, but don't have it. Mauna we alawe na te foto tuare na gere miama du lon pe du ma vinya nya kwa ko na gere miama la ko so he gero fia afrima kole yo ko MP yo ko DC yo ko regional minister mashama fi yo ko gala amaroka obiana ga politicians obo mo do rekano and you are part of the problem.
Okay.
You are such a big problem for Ghana.
Okay.
Our not the put to malone no money money la opposition money nya bijiko kranyo na fifia eke NPP la opposition fia la perme Ministry of Finance per officer de to account or new minister mpolo atajet via executive agiving apo go to Ministry of Finance the opera na bukasela people for the minority clean view agago boni no go but if you to now what to tepa the mahia the ministry hohoa you can for ya no afi na mimba no enyo kan ko jonya tepa ko tu nya ta traje agora ni nya ta traje akpunga gbogbo wa ko na jidudwa nya ta hayi aka o yire tepa jo hogan gbogbo e ke jidudu wo pe time a holema o tu hogan le gbegbe one of the arguments was that we need to cut down cost. Cut down government spending. Ministry of Ministry of Finance the Dema Bank of Ghana, Ochine, you to minister. If you are moving, you are rather handling lean stuff. Why not sell this place or why not rent it out? A garden to come, a gatol to come. You got to come. Even private individuals are there that can occupy all these complexes. Okay. So we are in opposition is not good. When you come to government, it's good.
It's good.
And Nima doing at the point in Yabicho, but the Nima Bayima.
Emeko, but I think yes, Nabeleko, over the years, the politics ever a problem of you like you are. A basic beku bawa beba no yema. But oftentimes, at times, never do in that situation. But it also depends. Some of these projects will not here. Probably the country hardships don't mind, but yes, still will make money available. The same applies to the National Cathedral. Gamele do come or mina DDP and more pensioners were yet a galley. Me call it them. Yeah, what we hope. So who already qua and the finance ministry to nata yes no occupy Malaysia bene not to force in every time and the cost cutting measures who and maybe more prioritize at this time I forgot okay, the other priorities where the government look at instead of they put up this huge edifice can cost the taxpayers so much money kake otu hota no occupy.
I think I see mentality, man. That's a problem. That is a problem today. You can even Chinese, so Asian giants, more better. No, people gombe to, ebenato, bondo, ebenato. Maybe it's a new tree holders, a taxpayers money. No, a who's a to Homa, do a year do to Homa, a bar, a more she let her commercialize it. And I go and say me on the big commercial property, a journal of the home. If you are ministry who Elafma, don't forget, President who are 125 ministers in Oshi.
Yeah.
You are working with 60 ministers. I will work in the more substantive know-how. So,
I hope Malaysia other ministries and Malaysia this particular
person you had Nana do Dampa 125 ministers.
Yes.
Kufuwa
most of the ministers away the door. But at the Ministry of Finance, we have various departments where him and government appointments work. Okay. The government they are public servants who are appointed. Who are like civil servants who are left matter. You have to be department there's a department in charge of pay slip. And then there are other companies, businesses, public nuclear office space they call that who just by actually occupy. And I'll sure that yes, so whatever decision here are to take in regards to that, earlier to the benefit of all Ghanaians. It's just that then at the time, who know to a hardship and not to come and view, and then complaining, but why me prioritize a structure as this national cathedral when Ghanaians are suffering, haircut clear. Price of commodities are not so high, goods and services are not so high. Why do we prioritize Agake? At the end of the day, it's been done. Ima abandon you, and then the Ekihuma Hujura, other ministries were to occupy. Yanabe Achawa open domi. That is Midak Benabo Ojagome, and Atuva Eva Wunu, and then it's now ready for use.
Ayo majijua me naga miako nyajojo kakafore kapo mmakukware ko wocho de yare ko finchi. And this is a question of hospital administration that kwa ofi de yare ka hunga kane. Oji de vima Valentine Day 14th of February can remember que that to be there for black on water. You can work avec Donjipola and Ness. Ever que I will be a natural Vienne who fake nest caught with stolen baby. A 33-year-old woman, Latifa Salifu, has been arrested in connection with the theft of 4-day-old baby boy from the postnatal ward of Mampopi Polyclinic in Accra. And according to Superintendent Julian Openg, head of public affairs of the Accra region, the suspect was disguised as a nurse and took the baby under the pretext of administering medication. Let's listen to a brief joint news report on this. We'll be back.
Okay.
Filled the Mamprobi community after news broke that a newborn baby had gone missing from the Mamprobi Polyclinic, a place many families consider a safe haven for mothers and their babies. What began as a routine visit to the health facility quickly turned into a moment of panic, confusion and fear as relatives realized the baby could not be found. Some community members blamed the alleged theft on poor security arrangement at the hospital, insisting that both health workers and security officials must be held accountable.
So employ correct securities over here so that they should work. The securities should be work to maintain order and peace. So if they need peace, they have to change the security so that everything should be nice.
And in tight, because security for them are tight. What as a hospital, you need to you the hospital have public toilets. Who probably need what you are.
Hospital be anywhere allows them. Obia to me bomb Remusa. I was at least security near tight. Oh, Bema, you saw the entire Obaha. By Yamusa, Shena, Baba. I said to security for no Omoya Juman, Omoya serious. Omoya Slasa. And a young girl's doctors no more announced. I was saying, Yamuna coffee. Yamam good training because someone needs to see a I say, see, I saw by and say, I have particular
The father of the newborn baby, visibly heartbroken together with other relatives, expressed deep disappointment over the incident. They say the emotional trauma has been overwhelming and have indicated their intention to pursue legal action against the suspects to ensure justice is served.
What happened here was that, to me, I noticed that it was lack of security. I don't see the reason why that somebody can come and give birth here and just within a few minutes or within a few seconds, someone from outside can get advantage and take the baby just like that. If you yourself, you are a woman, you will know that what went on here wasn't a good thing. And even for those people that, especially the security, the nurses, and those people who were talking behind the scene when this thing started, I feel that they are all guilty. So it's like if this one we didn't take any action, they would have taken the baby away like that. Any pregnant woman who is coming to give birth here, they should be very vigilant, they should be very careful, and they should take care of their babies very well.
We haven't slept since yesterday night. I went off around 4 a.m. and we just wake up around like 4:30 and die. This thing that happened, it happened to Obia sort of, or the guy sitting home by as next form. Oh, we are taking a legal action because the mom is being traumatized and so traumatized. Yes, so we have already spoken to our lawyer and we are taking it on. Yeah.
Meanwhile, Gender Minister Namu Mulate has moved to calm tensions, assuring residents that the situation is under control.
Let me just assure Ghanaians that, especially the people within Mamprobi and its environs, that this is a one-off situation. It shouldn't let it be so, then the image of the facility so badly that they will say they will not access healthcare here. All of us know that Mamprobi Polyclinic is one of the best when it comes to delivery and mother and child care. And so this incident that has happened is an unfortunate one. Our appeal to the community members, they shouldn't carry out their threats. They should assess the health care here. We are going to all work together to improve security and ensure that they assess quality health care here.
As investigations unfold, the incident has raised concerns about security in public health facilities. For many in Mamprobi, the focus now is not only on justice for the affected family, but also on preventing such a traumatic experience from happening again. Ramat Bashir's report read to you.
Well, we can now listen to the Director of Public Affairs at the Ghana Police Service, Superintendent Julian Aubin, who says the police has launched an investigation into the alleged baby theft.
At about 3:40 this morning, the police arrested a suspect, Latifa Salifu, who is 33 years of age and is a cloth seller here in Accra, at the premises of Kolebu Teaching Hospital, where she was found with a baby suspected to have been the missing child. Suspects claimed that she had delivered at the hospital and was discharged due to lack of birth. However, police investigations at the hospital revealed there was no records to support her claim. The suspect is currently in police custody, while arrangements are underway to place the baby under hospital care for safekeeping, further investigations, and medical attention. Investigations are ongoing, and further updates will be communicated soon.
Nyajojo do fue ikenya joy mia no vira kayo kana mwana mile do ma ole gien pome o fue nyang chocho ma mi ho ala ba wo we la fma o gere fma ke mi la botano ndi ami mi no tero pa bota ala ba mi nyate petro do ko ve na mi ke evi ade ko ji ho gakan e mo fila mam Mamprobi Polyclinic evi fila o ro ki aba dronji polo ene wachori via via ne a chikene ko via ma o chodo na o tono ji pola la umare mo fufu mi me jesio le fia banye Dono ci polo e na chule bibi ani achike ko e we ma ko le bia ko do ko joine nke nyamwa o gara mo bu ba pede si we security alo wa ma no me ko dara fa mo no puna re ta fa mo no centria mo le centrio am shamre ku chona genare konjia ale ka jemi o vana yi shai ke o yi ji ba ma ko ba dara ko ja makra kona gane security mana ho ma kona gano hi masa ba fa ma tutu ayo kata nya ke bare me ko ya valogi ka ke gender minister ava fuma bo amar ko na ko ma ga fuma ba go mar ko na bo ba wo ngbe plan ke te pa mar ko ma ka sha mar ke nchile te pa mu ga gbe na ka no yo kata yo pe de si be e ma dire te fare ta fo sha fo ke yo de alo mi ama ga jo ton e je be yo di avo ma nya man po bi re pa nya na nyu jo la ka mi ko na borem alo mi ko na health administration da ave le ko konji o konji dolo va fora me ame o homo de le direct forma allo o mo vevidon la don ci plato logodo e ni ke hiana mi agara nya ma gba ta matro honorable elikemchi
yo ape ne doji enya mi se a noko e de fu vie ga ke akpobe that particular area abe e kenezi gbanto na nature le facility masibe ta if you over the years noko ole community o no na be yo peti le community ole ko be yo peti america yo nyu ta o be imagine be america I have susuma alo susuma to america peta me be ni aba fi the view because be okulo peti ole fi miami obrobo wa moto vana security e boba wona cheche le fi ma petita o nyawo no we fine ta ho ba ho chole kwa mele sho be afunku na we be security ya wa beef it up wa tighten security egede be menya mesia me he ava yakwa anamo menya mesia me ava bo me fi me ko wa namu obat wa bi agbe nuka wo pe va alo meka gbo eva there is some of these things are junior de menya sigbo security himi da sile un sigbo alo ni lose video eni ya anoji sigede ekia eva jobe amieche address na be next nene and address sibeta o chene pe asusu ma vaunde o ameya v54 vow and because be man public polyclinic man elle duome and amo ocho coach na be yo fe yo pro le bi kawo and that is how ojebene noima o kokoji as their own ya mata be ho josi gbeche fa ho ba like am no pesusu me yiju aka the good thing we be ola me hefi the eventually and then we Ghana sebe no work play alo like one play say one play say agojeje ki he vakwa play perfect tucha ahwe ake na be gender minister check be me hia be amowa gbeboke because benuke jota yuma ga call you recover that facility airline over the years emi ya mejo po and eya de kako no he job Magdalen facility on petit ode. Kakem so on no be going forward. One yale ke wa tighten up open security. Be emi a he joa geke ya ome. Makaba ajo ayiji sigbo. Ta no komia as be okay wa ka apply more vigilance there. Open facility on security men no make sure be they are well trained and all of the door na bele ko jebe no wa do nene. Emenye sigboa bi aka josibe and me hospital me restrict access to menya mesia me ya vow na boba me de amole fi me babala nu godo o allege menya mesia me o eje me restrict access vide and here me de do susu dogbele de beni aba da bomb de fi malumi anu kekina to security egbo without checks eje some of these things neji so that they match check anojile entry to the facility. Bele amehi ko de viele do docha ne security no le kulo da mi o hinya next ke to kwa mi o le koji a actress akpo be no amekede next ka e krito we that much education here and the problem depend like as a staff the head of facilities or ole working with the security because security are all in charge of the exit entrance that the security onunya almost ameke to hele dole e po mama e be no nya gedi kemi be choncho na ya mede yi e be ni ne so dress be even no action no kwa nya be no ameke di abe lenya me yele filo ame do biana kake abe ni va take sigbe ta do na mo be do no mind be security man kwache ni o me mind cho ado be security man kwache zo ada no just pass by no me no ta enu ya ogede a eje be ni wa dolo because you having a gatekeepers ewe ta na gatekeepers o te imele agbonono ni no play gatekeepers o me nyami lord eleke wawe ame say am get me address fine the next you your access facility maybe am the medical record allo dono dele fupe azumi be address the next you obe never do abi na mi wa voice no be adona mi ede leke wayi time ahejo anuku expose me to a lot of things where he even now that going forward this entry point to ejebe security and quite tight at times even a scanner or one of manual at least some of these things outside they do call Gideoma entry point or scanner only call to them call metal because yes there are some of these things mi wa dolo ta nukumia do baba ne ameya profile figure ke opo and I make if the VHR say correctly and I serve as deterrent ne ameya uche edibe uraka have involved kudoku ile emu ya me that akpene facility or actual handle issue tactfully as well as the gender minister edu me view ya che utupu idefimi ya akego mesese vakwa look who beni o make o me attack any of the staff at the facility which are in that benawe and make sure the government check is no wa here make sure be stability and play and make o be no wo be do ho sign e do na be no wa wo do be wa de fiato de gato make sure be jidudu che awo etosunu akpe
yo akpe ni o de do no be na nya o jole ka bovito le press releases o mo via ko Ghana police service via all was very media friendly GH police TV ntukeko o direct agbo na mo no chama the majuro go no ha no jagbare no jole ka maka at least no sama ka ni fiafi ha no biewere alo ngbe ora bere ngeta fi no miaro na wole nana dabi edwara senmake okay fia media ha eni afuma oponple ntua ikenya viato oponple vino aka edibo oponple hospital administration ha nya senana chogbo afi ni yo ni akodo fiare otachom moni lokaka nya sen katai o maro ka pere nya chile nya pa discuss that Ghana police service no communication nyomyo kaka nyadro na go na mi be no communicating no report na mi ke doctor mai ke nya IGP ho ko ejem nya go makon ike dampare doctor dampare ke Christian yo ho no va call you dem go alagbegbe and it's a good thing but at least na mi say criminal apenya igbogo lagba lo suspect, let me use the right word, alleged criminal or suspect ko can measure into our public discourse, then we can educate the people. Not unique because don't remember America you are the person still has right. With counsel anyway. Anyway. Okay, I think I understand. With counsel, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So sure, but yes, I mean I have a day in court. But with a lawyer, yes. But just that they feel okay, but in this case, Omaton, I want to happen New Year's ago.
Every point of a lawyer, I'm not guilty because that I'm guilty for market. So because of that, name Fuga Rapong and I would have been okay. Why did you do this? You are not guilty, fine, but what? So is I think no, for legal reasons.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, I think it's okay. You Nyazorango. Me being a poor Najujo Carvaro, I feel my messages, so many messages which I'll be reading very soon. Me a trode and Fuare cover me up regional minister Ponchi. Me up Volta regional minister Foro Yokofo. Me if you Volta regional minister's propaganda spree draws fire. The Volta regional minister James Gunu is facing criticism for alleged propaganda spree, according to a member of the MPP communications team, Samuel Ameklemu. Ameklemu made a statement in response to Gunu's recent comments on the government's achievements in the region. According to GH1 News, Ameklemu accused Gunu of spreading false information and propaganda, saying that the minister's actions were unbecoming of a government official. Ameklemu's comments have sparked debate, with some calling for Gunu's resignation. Gunu pomwabe dukopa hopo pleo jiramona nek kubiareke le nyapa mutomo ke Amaklemu eno GH1 TVG le ho moni shwabe yana ala bo pomve via go vale ke gunu fon ma eba fiamba mo se do go motano ya shinchi gunu no dapa la agenda 111 hospital de iko tutuna kuma ke ba chi ta o tu vo kama ta go tu ma vo kero ko lo konjuma koroma ko ora si donchi na yi ya do ma hi cho nya gba ga garanya ma e ke gunu zemua e go ba jiru ho ba ba ma wona na ka nya pa mu to mo utu konjara ka na mio e yo cho zemu wa do dapa yo ba e gba bo no e ya le no chuko to e ke MP le nurse Akachi North, bless Kojo Katamani, Akachi North, Okata of Ma, you put the Valenya Tepuma, email extra, you bagaje at the agenda 111 hospital in Yako Hospital at Municipal Hospital. Kaka, over there, a pet the word to cheat compound. You can a community yaro, that New York, Manutepe, need Brahma, make Balahamano. That comment on the other contradict. And Makaja Magnifica Gabo is taking national attention now. And I'm a bomber Gunadashi Donchi. Natural.
That's it, don't Benka. Benka. No, so, yes, maybe never go, Mrs. Alube, complete. Projects here MPP1 in particular regional maybe we complete you a lobe complete ya maybe level e ho jago me ya mewunu a ya level nube o me wo de kekra so me sure be yes maybe as a journalist maybe me atemize nano ekito ho and the MPP who wole regional who complete ya ni anya but ekito ho me as a regional minister, I have access to much information. A status of some of government projects were in the region. Yeah, inform me. Yeah, not about make that informed decision. Alo wa glonyama. So be look for just from a vacuum, but I have evidence where not about olenyama blo. Yes, a donor jagome, and in 8 years, yeah, a jagome ya mewunwa. We can't say they won't complete a dory unless you have
my word on this. I will release the recording. Okay. Jinyanya o medebe never feel senyalo mejuko to muda come journalist because o medebe na pomu ta ba jinya o ba jinyanya aka guru ko ma be This is one of the uncompleted projects. I use expression of legacy projects.
Okay.
It is simple. That is what we have to verify. So we have to the conversation video blog we can release it tomorrow. But I'm telling you, I'm a journalist, and I'm telling you where we make comments like this. So
agenda 111. Agenda 111 the ekaya one project ya.
COVID na na 2020. Na na 2021.
Within 8 months. Yeah. Looking at the resources available, then they can find. Yeah, a domain lekaka. And yeah, so the regional minister the legacy project near Hilmewa. I don't hope for yes, fine. And the thing that done completed fine.
That done completed simple. The fear na blower honorable feedback me feedback on Chogo. The fear na project completed so you can say that let's take the conversation beyond Gunu. Are you getting me? Yeah. Governance is a continuum.
Yeah, sure.
You understand? Let's educate people. Let's do Gunu aside. Governance is a continuum.
Yeah.
The political castle to force employ Ministry of Finance over the horror, you can would deliver Omega to BOG, the Ministry of Finance, and Mama would be hot to you to Tome. Are you getting me? But if you are over girls and you got you, over Gani Gagobno, it's a continuum. So is it right to just be making the point over that is propaganda? You cannot at one breath say, go, and at another breath be saying, project here from Ministry of Health, but no, go funny. I mean, those kind of
definitely not the project, I'm sure, but yes, over the period of the MPP, actually, to the way. Maybe some chips company.
I will show those things. Chips company don't have a and maybe doctor move on. Even nurses are not in some of those places. Dispensers because cover a more criminal that not very much after the regional minister have access to the place.
Okay.
So the problem is bigger than that, and we shouldn't sit here and just speak like.
So some of them at least, so Jagome at to stage there, so probably even the not global or the care with the actual over there. Probably a legacy project as such, maybe you expect there before I leave office are not completed. At least it's just that the Homade, this project will 8 months. Looking at the Gahim to come then at 8 months, you have a Hoya Homai can make the 5 years for that of Yabon and a crow.
So it's difficult to run certain commentaries like this on him, and I'm expecting the Honorable Anno Ewenyigba TV in about 2 or 3 weeks' time. They are discussing here. He's definitely even this discussion is ongoing. I feel so we are not doing bad press to Bruno, but we are helping him in his public utterances.
That's fine.
You understand?
I'm like you host back. I'm sure.
So, all right, Muhammad Clare, special prosecutor and issue officials. The corporal John Dramani Mahama, Chocho Ike Hocho, Bafo Justice, Bafo Bonnie, Boy, and you not bo prima facie evidence. I will not bo Borujimare, Fiabre, OSP, the issue official. Me and Jin Mensa, Kisiaja Ben, Ludo Dale, Upe. Joji Haro, Alaba, Blalo, Bano, Como, to the COVID-19, you get a woman, you must book Borujimare. But I want to tell you if you are near a Kakimi, Kakimi do December 2024, or the figure low, no yellow, no, you buy your Yandalo, your Yandalo. It's another contradiction. What about that? Quickly.
No, so I better, near some of us, no, Ewan Kunamivi, the aside all the petition who presenter, CJ Chief Justice any basis allo reason they can here establish prima facie case against them here are notify president establish which will make the president take decision on the way forward. Now no one the Chief Justice Meton one because a lot of things and get a job. Even 2020 elections where the EC boss and vote or change countless times that people announce and the whole lot changing any. And 2020 election
2000
announce if figure all level for two eventually over declare so and a lot of things I expect looking at the Amiochope petition evidence or presenter, I take decision on the EC chair, especially here. I think under me in opposition, I mean the MPP patron, the is a member of the EC board or so whatever. Me no expecting that most of them, here deputies or most of them will go. In this country, we say boss Manastari, Kenya, the whole NDC is a threat to democracy authority. EC deputy chair. And then bring them out get it. Tell me where I say
no, it's like Nkata bring them out. Hold on. Nkata bring them out.
No, even if
what happened?
No, even if
interparty advisory committee, Ewenyigba, is that not what happened?
No, so
the NDC very marvel. So if you are acting like this, is a threat.
No,
do you remember at that time?
No, let me have issue there. We have concerns there. We don't address issue. And NDC chair table concerns the whole open address. We address so. That we are talking and calling them for meeting. No, address this concern. Then you put it in my
how do you address the consensus? Whether it is democracy, come and let's go consensus.
Now we have issue pending. You may solve you. How is that possible? Yeah, I'm not a threat to democracy. Even saying that at the first place, no matter the distance, we are already entrenched or whatever. It shocked me because me I'm expecting party members all get there. It shocked me because me expecting better. Why establish that case? EC chair, deputy said that MPP guy, patron who appoints. What's the name? Is he something Hini or something? Any patron or MPP party KMST. By EC Fifi, I'm expecting them most appear Hini or something. Most of these guys, Wajo. Can call EC Kone Ameya Hole competent to Atomado? A kind miss about for a Jan election one number of change vote or change Eke Wale balance in over mistake a job to fee. A kind Kake Joe over the court. And for a Jan I court a ban of docket emedy. I make Yahoo no time here and this is total requesting, but actually never know what happened. Oh, shield the Kaka. So a lot of things happen outside that. Petition, Imani Ghana.
There are 10 petitions actually, right?
Yes, Francis Kujo.
Among Baneto,
yes, Baneto, EC chair, Francis Kujo. Yahawe, Banebe, Ega, Masoma, Ega, Zazano, Uji, Oko machine, they play Oko dispose, Oko machine, Oko dan, the Plutoa, and the Mekonayo. Yes, governor answer. Yes, governor answer. Chuluma peting tamlima 200 the power. Ka issues also bagakenoko babe CJBA ne polmi basis ya co establish that prima facie mukyo. Ya our advice president and CJH advice the president our probably ma interfere.
So interesting things are happening in the party.
CJBA may accept it. But okay, a CGA advice, and because this time around, the party you make out Milamo Pedro Holosi and Milamo prevent from doing their work. President SME or go on CJ.
Le party ama.
Yeah, madame
Vivinamio.
How?
Very good. Dake Chief Justice Beya Yana prima facie evidence. You must an independent judiciary as you have always wanted. You didn't want the Tokono judiciary. Maybe the Tokono judiciary might have granted this. You want an independent judiciary. So you should be surprised. You shouldn't be surprised, is that not?
Yeah, so independent bodies surprise in the sense they looking at the kind of evidence or who
he said
similar Muyaya present against Charlotte or say some transactions that are Chile easier and they don't present a petition
and the petition should be a prima facie evidence.
The same way
signatures
are presenting. I must sign petition presenting.
Not the signature. Now we are made 10 petitioners. Now in attachment, the picture evidence. None it's as $1 or $10.
I may whole petition. They are whole petitioner. Most of them will have lawyers for whole petition. Most of them
they have lawyers that petition regardless of they have lawyers
who attach better particulars
will go there right there. The prima facie is just subjective, right? I believe JM wants to preserve his record a bit by not removing CJ, EC, and OSP. The record will not look good in the history of the book.
Exactly.
Let me do this. Ye Pobe Ario Dashi, Chief Justice in Tokon, Tony Ike, the Bukara Ike, you make to do copra to my voice, Tamaji Akasha Moncheharo.
Yes, Tamako,
Fiano Bear. Okay, thank you. I agree with you, say you are right, Fiano. History will not be kind to John Mahama if he sacked EC and all the others. So he has to play it safe, and he thinks people are dumb. They can't see through his game. CJ Tokono was just unlucky. Fiano, the message, man. Okay, fact check about on the case of EC. What about the disenfranchising the service committed to South people? Does that don't warrant a second look? Okay, then I'm going South, Sandro, Kofi, Akpafu, we talk about the
petition.
Nyatepe, Tori. It is absolutely the wise decision. With the right and exemplary leadership, it will be hard for people to go off the rails, abandoning their mandates as seen in other regimes. We don't need retaliation in governance of Ghana. Even the EC already has shown a transformation because there is no room for complacency. That none here, where so for Tepono here.
Yes,
impeach the president now. The NDC caucus in parliament must impeach John Mahama if this story finally turns out to be true.
You see, we're expecting the EC chair, deputy Sowajo. At the end of the day, maybe we never send a good picture of me.
Believing that John Mahama doesn't love this nation and the great NDC party one bit. His cosmetic resetting agenda is just a fluke. What is the reason for appointing Paul Bafuboni as Chief Justice when Justice Court Puaman is there? Jane Adukwe Mensah perpetrated a lot of clear violations and open biases against the NDC in every election cycle. In fact, she was there. She was more than MPP serial caller. God has blessed us with power, and yet this is what we have seen. Kisi Ajabeng is there openly doing the underground work to show his MPP corrupt past government officials, and yet this is what we have seen. Sad indeed. Ayo, komimi mama melo patio, melo NDC. Nyakata ji ma mfitifitie elabe Ewe magonko Justice Pwamaye Ojebe onye Chief Justice Kakowa Kone Bafoboni. Yema ema chomu yema ta me shama pebe si be isi official de bojo ke padi avon ko me kisi aja bien kra ko la fuma acha mamu amiato a message at the couple of Vodushi able to message to my Totojeka Vodushi. I thought we all agree not to practice father for all brood. Oh my brother, that's a curse word. So I thought we all agree not to practice father for all again. So what is happening? Vodushi. Hey. Okay, Tony. Tony, but it was not Mahama. It was the CJ who rejected the petitions. It was not Mahama. It was the CJ who rejected. Yeah, I think that's a good one. Hello?
Exactly. I'm not discussing the CJ, but more to establish I take decision. They establish for president.
But you just spoke my mind. Asiedu in Ketia must definitely be out. Our next president, I think, wants to use out by our next president. Mahama Bafoboni want to create Maboni bad country. And Maboni going to bracket in tree. Maboni. The exercise in futility. We don't care about bringing this out, so it will overshadow the cocoa politics. Lie, we will still speak out for the cocoa farmers. Nonsense. Charlie, message because I'm not going to call you on my junior. I'm a juju, Ghana politics, Musa. You this gem, keep alone. You this gem, keep on keeping these MPP vultures. When they are done with you, then you will learn sense. Looks like you don't have the interest of your party and Ghanaians in mind. Your space is doing your job, and it is now unfolding that he is helping Ken to avoid accountability. That crazy woman, on the other hand, nearly caused a war during the past election. A word to a wise. Kobla, Mahama and CJ are the ones going to drag this nation's democracy into dangerous territories. These people mess up big time like this, and you allow them to occupy this position. This CJ should quickly pack his stuff and leave. Absolutely unbelievable. Upon all the South issues, Bafo Bonny is crazy. Message because I'm Mauli Wayo. It is a goal. Has referee whistle for the end of the match. Oral has failed before even half time. No. So I've seen a message. Agbalimo, Paris. But this is lovely. Everyone, human being, deserves a second chance. I don't understand. This is lovely. You see, I was thinking, Mary, it's a communication issue. At this time, for me, if I was an advisor, communication, I would become a director. You understand what I mean? Are you getting me? Till the petitioners begin to agitate. See, time of the judge, whenever there should be a volcanic eruption, there should be a build-up of energy. I feel now, so this issue, there is no conversation. Hold on, the last year, last month, last week, but if the petitioners like Imani and Co are making noise, then you bring the report from CJ directly as a response, and you can do that without you, the president, talking. If you are over doing the president, then the message I don't like the way the message.
Because
no.
You see, a lot of people are quite not happy there.
But this is the end of NDC and John Mahama. If this story is true, Aputo, this is our messages.
Yes, and some of us too, naturally, quite happy with the decision, because yes, me every party hierarchy, previous before election, even after election, I'm going to AC must go. The at least majority of party members la all exhibit the ECI. Now you see, let's go to Kisi Ejabi. Look at Kisi Ejabi.
Yeah, 30 seconds. Yeah,
Kisi Ejabi issue. Actually, you know, I'm actually doa.
Kena ame povado hado. Beto kuone ba kema.
Me probably actually put a door underground. They akawa ba blame up party eventually. Kisi Ejabi will invite Baba Jama. Baumia Pluto will invite the Mr. Yankwa.
Messages are coming.
Mr. Baumia, play the chapel, play Kenya Japan will invite Wedonuva the same vote buying issue. And then can say to aside the Baba Jama Commission about visit today. What about the others? The same publicity.
Last one, Sisi, very disappointed in this government. So I want you to note the message so it will help you. Very disappointed at this government. So the Chief Justice and his colleagues are they telling us that no. Mahama, if this is what you refer to as government, then revise your nose, because this system of governance is not justice seeking one, but condoning evil, calling it good. That's the last message.
Okay.
And we are done.
All right.
Honorable Elikem Chome,
yes, sir.
Communication Officer for Whole Central NDC. You know, Bonnie, Tony McBoy, Economy, Dakpanami, Abaleke, so many messages are coming. Message Dora, Akpanami, Abaleke, and Yano, last word on this matter. I wish that you do your communication better. Get experts in communication studies to be helping you in how you throw out what, in what way. God bless you. Bye bye.
Fuwa me gon la, nek po ma bada ba tue me nye.